昨日見たぞ。
え？
昨日響くんと歩いてたっしょ。
That scene was really cute, but let's skip the nostalgia with Rika for now. A leading line like this, and then one like this. I mean this scene. This is pretty crazy, right? Especially if it seems like a coincidence or just a speculation. However, this technique is amazing because it can quickly guide your gaze toward the target position where the character is located. It turns out that the scene does not stand alone. This motion choreography is formed from various scenes that rely on Gestalt theory, where your brain memory recalls the trajectory of motion from the previous frame you saw, where your focus will continuously follow the direction in which the animation moves. And perhaps that's the technique you need to transition from one frame to another, because when viewers can easily find the focus of the framing, they will naturally continue following the flow of the animation. A simple example of this might be like in this video. The human brain will naturally predict where this DVD logo will end up. And this predictive coding is what you saw in the previous scene, where the starting point and end point are interconnected. Actually, every director has their own techniques, and it just so happens that the technique of the director in the first episode of this anime heavily relies on motion choreography. That's why you will often see motion continuity in several scenes. Maybe if you want another example, I will show you here. In this scene, you'll focus on the character's mouth movements, which shift in accordance with the conversation. However, the following scene sequentially follows the endpoint as it transitions to a new starting point. And mastering continuity techniques like this doesn't happen overnight. Even so, this technique is very interesting to try in short-form content. So, to master this technique, you have to keep practicing. And I'll find references from different anime in the next video.
どうなってんの？昨日学校燃えてたよね。
嘘。